What's happening, folks? Welcome back again. This is going to be part 2 of the video. I'm putting new rims and tires on the Polaris 570 Ranger here. These tires are the tensor regulator radial tires. They're designed more like a truck tire than a side-by-side. The size is a 28 by 10 inch on 14-inch rim. My thoughts on getting these radial style tires is, one, they're bigger and badder. It looks better. They're going to handle and perform better on the roads and rocky terrain that we're going to be using it. So you can see the difference in size. So let's go ahead and get them on there. Okay, so before I was at 13.5 ground clearance. I'm right here. Let's see where we're at now. A little over 15.5. If you're deciding to upgrade your wheels and tires, it's also important to know your lug pattern and your lug nut size. On my model 570 mid-size Ranger, the lug nut was a 3/8 inch. If you watch the other video, after putting on the upgraded A-arm, we had a gap distance of 4.5 with the stock rims and tires. Now with the upgraded rims and tires, we're back at 3 inches of clearance from the fender well to the tire. All in all, I think this project turned out to be a complete success. I think these new upgraded wheels give the unit a really good aggressive look, but let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.